Good morning, students. I am once again very happy to meet you through the online class for 10th English. In the last class, we had discussed the first prose in the topic his first flight. Do you remember it? So, before starting today's class, we will have a short recap about what we had discussed in the previous class. Here is the story in a nutshell for you. First one, young seagull lives in Leeds with family. We had in the previous class discussed that the important character of this story is young seagull. It is living in the Leeds. It means part of mountain with family members. Then once again its nature was its fear. It was very afraid of flying. Other seagulls fly freely. Other seagull means its parents, father and mother seagull, two brothers and a sister. They are very flying freely without any fear. Young seagull suffers from heat and loneliness. When the young seagull was in the Leeds, it suffers from two problems very mainly. One is loneliness and another one extreme heat of the afternoon. Then tries to reach other seagulls in opposite cliff. We had discussed that the other seagulls went to opposite cliff and they are flying very freely, enjoying their flight. Then the parents also give training to the two brothers and the sister. All these things were noticed by young seagull. So it is trying to reach other seagull in the opposite cliff and it tries to join them. This is what we have discussed in the previous class. So today's class would be the continuation of the previous part. Before that, once again I want you to focus on the theme of the lesson. In this theme, in the previous video it was told, overcoming fear. Every one of us has some fear. Everyone is blessed with some talents and inner qualities. But like the young seagull, we do not identify them because of our fear. In the history also there lived so many inventors and discoverers. They too had fear, but they traveled to faraway places and they discovered so many unknown places. For example, I want to highlight the life of Christopher Columbus. He discovered America. During his time, he wanted to take a voyage. He wanted to sail. You know that in the olden times, the only means of transport was through the sea. He wanted to explore some place, so he was willing to write letters to Queen of Spain for some facilities, for the facility of ship, for the facility of sailors to travel with him. But no one was, he had already written so many letters and he had sought the help of so many people. Everyone denied his request. Finally, he wrote letters to Queen of Spain. She was the first one to believe in him and she offered ships and other sailors. Other sailors means prisoners. On those times, there were prisoners. They were sentenced to death, hanging. So they were given us help. They were sent as the accompaniants. No one was willing to go with him, so only prisoners were given some opportunity to travel with him. Christopher Columbus never worried about that. His only intention was to travel to India, sea route to India, so he courageously undertook the journey along with the prisoners. They do not have any good knowledge about sailing. In spite of that, he started the journey. The journey went for many days. In the middle of the journey, he had to fight with violent storms, high sea waves, And one more thing, he suffered from hunger also. The food carried was over in the middle of the journey, but he didn't worry about that. Finally, his intention was to find out sea route to India, but unexpectedly he found USA, a new continent. This was the history behind this discovery. So many people were examples. They traveled to new places and they identified their real talent, who they were. So with this intention, we enter today's class. Thank you.